What's going on, people? This is your boy Jonathan Marshall from the Marshall Learning Madness channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to change out a regular hard drive on the laptop to a SSD hard drive, which is a solid state drive. Solid state drive is more compact and it holds better than a regular hard drive. And I'm gonna show you the difference and the reason why I put it in a solid state drive. Stay tuned. Now, as we see here, we're gonna see you see the difference between a solid state drive and a regular hard drive. This right here is a regular hard drive that goes in the computer. Now, the difference is you see the outside is protected, but if you flip it over, this is the circuitry, which easily could be compromised on a hard drive. Now, both of them had the same plug-ins. Now, with the SSD drive, which is a solid state drive, you see the protected on the outside here and protected on the back. And to compare them, one is smaller than the other one, as you see. Now, even though this has a terabyte, this is larger than this one, I'm replacing this one right here is 480 gigs, but I'm replacing the hard drive that I have in my computer already, which, if you see here, is only 147 gigs. So I'll be taking that hard drive out and replacing it with the solid state drive, which I have here. So in order to find out how big your hard drive is on your computer, all you have to do is go here onto your computer. You'll go right here to where it says this PC, or you have the computer emblem, and click on it. And all you have to do, you'll see it right here, and it'll tell you how big your hard drive is. Now, when I'm getting ready to take it out, before I take it out, I need to shut it down. So what I need to do, go over here in the corner. I have Windows 10 on mine, so when we have Windows 10, I go ahead and click on the four windows and then hit the power button over here. Once I hit the power button, you see these options come up: sleep, shut down, and restart. I'm gonna shut down. That way, it could be turned completely off, and you'll see it says it's shutting down. Now, after it's shut down, I'll get back to you and show you what to do after that. Now, as you see, I have my laptop prepared. Now, before you do all this, to have it prepared, make sure you have everything unplugged from it. Make sure you have your power cord unplugged from it. Make sure you have your all, like, your mouse. I mean, your wireless mouse, your wired mouse, and external hard drives, anything like that. Make sure it's unplugged from the computer, because if not, you can mess up your computer. Now, the second thing you need to worry about, you see I got it, it's laying on the back. That's where you're going to have to access it. Also, what you have to do is you're going to have to take the battery out, because you need to take the battery out because you don't want to shock your motherboard or your hard drive, and you had to end up buying another computer. And see, I have this computer is an older Dell. It's a Dell Latitude. I like the older computers because some of the older computers run better than the newer ones. So, and as you can tell, I have an indicator on my battery. I have a full battery. So if I was to take this backing off here, to take this hard drive out, it's a possibility, without taking that battery out, it's a possibility I could mess up my motherboard and or my hard drive. Now, let's see. They have this right here, if you want to know, it's your docking port. Most older Dells have docking ports where you can set them up on little docking ports where you could attach your keyboard and stuff to it if you need to. So to continue, you'll see here you have a latch here, and the latch here. You need to open both of the latches to unlock. Let me see. And as you unlock them, make sure I'm unlocking them the right way. Yep. Use a closer look. Closer look at this, so you can see. Yeah. See there. Latch here. Make sure they're unlocked. Latch here. Some of the batteries will pop up by itself, some of them won't. So you have to unlock it, latch it, you slide it out. Slide it forward. That's your battery. And yes, to prove it to you that the battery's still alive, here go the indicator right here. Full battery. That's why it's dangerous to take it off, to have it on when you're changing out your hard drive and stuff. Now, with this older deal that I have, there's only one screw that holds this whole back panel on, and this is a screw right here. I take this screw and unscrew it. Just to prove it to you, just one screw. Take my hands, put it down on it, pull back. Heard that click? That means it pulled, it opened. And you lift it. Now, that's the end of your computer right there. That's your motherboard, your hard drives, and all that great stuff. That if you don't know what to do, you don't need to mess with it. What I zoomed in right here is, this is your memory. I have 4 gigs of memory, which means 2 gigs on each one, which is easily could pop out by the sides. That's what the clamps want to hold them in. You put them back in. But please, know what you're doing before you do it. Okay, if not, you will mess something up. There is a notch in here that you put it in. You press it down, and it's in. Now, why did I show you that? Because right next to it is the hard drive. And you ask it, what a hard drive? Well, there's your fan. Here's your hard drive. You can tell by the way this looks right here. If you look at the old, what I showed you earlier, that's how the hard drive looks. And if you see, it's the exact same. Now, what you're going to have to do is, now you're going to have to take the screws out to get the hard drive out. Fill the head screwdriver. Screw at the beginning. Another one on the opposite side. And all hard drives have at least 4 screw ports on the back of them. Well, regular hard drives. Not SSD does too, but the regular ones like this, you have to pay attention to because you have to keep them stable in order to get them to use them. Now, I take them, take the screws out. Here, make sure you have the screws somewhere where you can access them better and you won't lose them. Because if you lose them, then you won't be able to stabilize your hard drive. Now, what I'm gonna do is here, this little area right here in between the hard drive and this space, with my screwdriver here, that way I can pry it out just a little bit, and boom, hard drive comes out. I pull the hard drive out, and voila, there's the old hard drive. As you see, 160 gigs. It's still, you still can use this hard drive. Now, what you can do is with this hard drive, you can make an external hard drive, which I'll show you in a different video how to do. But for right now, we want to take this piece here off so we can put the other hard drive on, which you see, it's latches. So you pull it off here, and you pull it off. Oh, okay, this one has a screw in it. Usually it just be latched in two sides, but this one got a screw in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew it. Make sure that screw stays with that. And put my hard drive to the side. Now I'm gonna take my new hard drive, which is gonna be my SSD, what I told you is my solid state. And I'm gonna put the cap on there. Now, when you put it in, you want this side to be up so it can go in that way. So when you put it this side up, that means you need your you need this to go on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm holding my screw on this side right here so it won't fall out. Put it in here. Put that part in the hole right there. I'm gonna take my other side, line it up. Put my screw in. And screw it back in. Now, here's the trick. Remember I told you this hard drive is smaller than the regular hard drive. So when you put this hard drive in, instead of just sliding it in, you're gonna have to slide it in, and right before you get to the joint part, lift it up so it can slide inside the slide. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, got my hard drive in. Going in. Now see how much room it is, how loose it is. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to lift up. Because if you don't, it's gonna slide underneath and it's not gonna contact. I'm gonna lift it up, push it in. Alrighty. Now, it should have enough contact. And I'm gonna put my screws back in. Now with this, putting the screws in, it's gonna help lift up the hard drive so it can stay in its place. Now, since I'm gonna be working on this computer more often, I am only putting 2 screws in, but I'll put them in at diagonal. Let's put one here, so I'm gonna go diagonally and put one in here, because for the simple fact is I don't be working on this a little bit more. Now I know you're wondering, okay, I put a brand new hard drive in. What about all the stuff I had on my old hard drive? How I'm gonna put it on the new one? Well, if you're personal computers like I am, I did what I called a hard drive clone, meaning whatever that was on, sorry about that, whatever that I had on this hard drive, I cloned it on the computer to this hard drive. What I did, I hooked this up made into an external hard drive, and I cloned whatever that was on here. So when I turn it on, the computer is going to be exactly the same as the other hard drive. Now, I have it on, and got it secured. I put my backing back on. Now, I know you're wondering, where's the screw at for this backing? Well, with this older computer, the screw stays in the backing because it's secured by a spring. So all I had to do is put my screwdriver in here and tighten my screw up. Yeah, see it. Gotta make sure it's secured. Push it down. And there it goes. Clicked in. Now, try it again. There it is. That's better. Now it's tightening like it's supposed to. Now, after it tightens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my battery back in. Just to show you, my battery's still alive. Full back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. Now, don't have to worry about the latches because as soon as I slide the battery out back in, you're going to hear a click. That means the latches are going to catch it. So that means I'm going to take it, I'm going to pull it back. You heard it. So that means the battery in. So battery doesn't come out. Now, let's see what happens. Turn this back over. Like I said, this is a Dell, older Dell. So, yeah. And Dell Attitude. Come over here, hit the power button. That's the power button. And let's see what happens. If I cloned it correctly, it should start right up with my password. I put my password in and stuff like that. Excuse me. And starting up. Booyah, 5 o'clock, October. I'm on October, it's kept in the BIOS. And there it goes for my, that's me for my password and stuff. Excuse me for a minute while I put my passcode in. And we're gonna see the clone and take. Because like I said, all I did was clone my hard drives. Meaning I made an exact copy from the regular hard drive over to my brand new one, which I'll show you in another video on how to do a clone. But for now, if you had to put an emergency hard drive because your hard drive done killed over, that's how you install a hard drive onto a Dell Attitude. And as you see, it's the exact same as I had on my last laptop. So nothing is out of place. I go over here to this PC over here. It's just to show you my hard drive has now upgraded. Now I'm saying it's different. It hasn't showed a full hard drive potential yet. So I'm gonna have to go in and I'm gonna have to readjust everything. But that's how you do it. But when you do your hard drive, and if you have the emergency disk that goes with it, all you have to do is put in your emergency disk and it'll restore everything for you. Hopefully you know how to make a backup disk. If not, I'm going to make a video to show you how to make a backup disk. So for right now, I'm Jonathan Marshall. This is the Learning Marshall Madness. And that's how you install another hard drive into your computer without harming it. Additional information will follow this video about the hard drive change. All right. Thank you. If you like what you see, I have more. I do tablets. I do laptops. I show you, my next video most likely going to show you how to use an external hard drive, or I'm going to show you how to turn that hard drive that I just taken out and make it into an external hard drive. And if anything else that you wanted to know about anything about computers, laptops, uh, what else, tablets, anything like that, drop me a comment. Drop me a comment below. And with that comment, let me know what you want to know about or what you want to learn about. Because I do computer programs, stuff like that also. So it's all educational purpose. So let me know. So just like, subscribe, comment below what else you want to see, and just continue watching and see what else I put on the channel. Because like I said, I do various stuff. Even I can show you how to network your external hard drive into your internet network, where you can pick up that hard drive off of any computer in the house. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.